Okay, hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a little swipe. This is an 8x8 gallery wrap canvas, and my base paint is Deep Magenta by Artist Loft, I think. Hold on. I think it's just kind of a mixture that I made. But so it's a deep magenta. Added to it is Liquitex Basics Iridescent Medium, and I added just like a dollop I used the stick of this opal glitter medium. So I threw a little of that in there just to make it pretty. Colors I'm going to use today are, where are they? This is an iridescent mixture, turquoise mixture. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to use a little of this seafoam green shimmer. I don't even know what brand this is. Sorry. Golden Anthracene. A little Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. A little Deco Art Pearl. I have this Rose Quartz by Modern Masters. And I have a deep cranberry color that I made with alizarin crimson, with Liquitex Basics alizarin crimson, and added black. And I like the way it came out. It came out pretty. And so these are the colors I'm going to use. And yeah, we'll get started. So I'm going to put my base down and we'll get started. All right. So this is really, really sparkly with the opal medium in there, the glitter medium. So I am just going to pop some air bubbles. Alright, and I'm going to start putting my paints down. I think I'm going to swipe with black today. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to put the paints down how I want to do it. Okay, well, this is really, really pretty. I like the black. The black, to me, seems to sink way more than the white cell activator, which causes all the color, so you get almost like more lacing than cells. I mean, it's kind of both, but it's so pretty. This is like rainbow in here. Yeah, just tiny little cells in here. This is really pretty. Color combo is really pretty. So, all right, I'm gonna leave it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Just give me a shout. And that's about it. So have a great one. I'll see you all really soon. Bye-bye.